Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be looking at task 21R. The question says create a web page containing the names of two results as a bulleted list. Okay, these results are Almo in Austria and Sham al-Shak in Egypt. For each result, list the main activities. So of course, the activities will be we're just going to make the made up activities that we're going to put in there. All right. Okay, so we're going to use on ordered list. All right, so to solve this, in order not to waste time, I'm going to use the task in task 20q code. Okay, sorry. So let me just copy out that task 20q code. Just copy that out, just like we did previously. So I'm going to just paste it here, so I don't have to start afresh to write the code. So I'm just going to modify this code. So I will change the name to task 21R. Did I say 20? 21R, in case I made a mistake somewhere. So 21R, right? Good. So I'm going to, of course, view the code in Notepad++. Okay, so this is what the code is about. So I'm going to modify first of all the title 21R. I'm going to get this guy off here, right? Good. I'm going to bring this guy back a little further, further, back a little. Okay, something like this. All right. So here, so the name of result are they are Almo in Austria and Sham al-Sheikh in Egypt. So what I'm going to do here is so this is already going to be on ordered list, right? So I'm going to just maybe remove just these two to have the list. Okay, so I'm going to have Almo here, so it's going to be Elmo. Okay, Elmo. Am I getting this okay? Spelling right? Yeah. And then I'm going to have Sha sorry, Sham L Shek. Okay, so I'm going to have this. So I'm going to save the changes, and then of course go back to my file tax 21R, and then see how it's going to look like. So this is the list I'm looking at. Is there any other names of two results? Okay, bulleted list and stuff like that. Okay, so these are the two names I'm looking at here, right? So here I'm going to make another list, a sub list under Almo and a sub list under Sham El Sheikh. All right, these are what I needed. So which will represent the activities in them. So I'm going to go back to my code now. Under Almo, I'm going to have an unordered list again, which is UL. Okay, then close that up here, down here, sorry, UL. Okay, so inside the UL, so Almo, let's assume that we're the activities in Almo will be a list again. Of course, close that list. So the activities, one of them is going to be skin, and then we're going to have, okay, so let me just copy this code, this line of code, and then paste it down here. And then the next one, the activity we're going to be having since it's a cold region, we're going to be having snowboarding, and then the next will be sledging, whatever that is. sledging, and then the final one is going to be after sledging we have mountaineering. All right, so that's about it. So that's the sub list. So let me just save my changes and then refresh, so that as you can see it has created a list within a list. That's an ordered list within an ordered list. Okay, so I'm going to do that for the second item. All right, so let me go back to my code again. So here on that shem I'll share, I'm going to create another unordered list, ul. Okay, and then have ul here, and then within the ul I'm going to now have the list li, close that, li. Okay, so within the li, so what am I going to have? I'm going to have scuba diving. The next one is snorkeling. Whatever that is, that sounds strange to me. Okay, so I'm going to copy that and then probably go down again and let it copyright. Okay, so let me just close that and then make it snorkeling. Right? Okay, so that's about that. So let me just save and then see how my code is going to look like. Refresh that and see. Yeah, so this is what you are expected to have. Okay, so that's about it. So thank you so much for this video, and then I'll hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. Bye.